Hello, so this is day one of our iDoo hydroponic setup. If you can see the writing there, we've got some lettuce at the front. On the outer edges at the back we have some Chinese cabbage, and then at the very back in the middle we have some spinach leaves. So this is going to be a video showing the progression of these and how they're doing. At the moment the setting is set to normal, which is what we want for germination, and that gives us 14 hours of light and 10 hours of lights off, so darkness with this. And then as they start to grow a bit, we will put it onto the growth phase, which gives 16 hours of light and 8 hours of darkness. Here we are with the first update. Today is the 25th of February, I think, and it is, well, this is why I've not recorded before now. I think technically it's day 9 since we planted these. However, Storm Eunice came and we were without power for 2 days, so that meant this was down as well. So while the seedlings could have germinated, we were without light and warmth. So that's the Wong Bok. We've got, is there anything in this one? I can see it's sort of starting to germinate, but we've got the spinach there, and we've also got the Napa cabbage, which came up pretty well actually. And I don't think the lettuces have done anything. Oh, this one has the mixed salad leaves. So that's it for day 7 or 9, however we're going to count it, from the power cut. This is the update for the 2nd of March. You can see that the spinach is doing well and the Napa cabbage is doing really well. What I've done is there was 3 really healthy plants for the Napa cabbage and 2 healthy spinach in that one. I just chopped them off. I cut them off at the base. I did that just before filming. The mixed salad leaves coming up. The little gem, there's nothing, I don't know if you can see quite in there, but you can see it's maybe started to germinate, but nothing's come up. So I will replant those. And this one, the Wong Bok, has started to come up. And then there's nothing again in this spinach. They're both the same spinach, planted on the same day, so I don't know why we had 2 very healthy ones in this one and none in the other. So what I will do is I'm going to change the water and I will replant these 3, the 2 lettuces and the spinach. Here we are the next day. I have changed the water and I've replanted those 3 there, but I just wanted to show you how much these have come up just after 1 day of me cutting off the others. So I didn't take the roots out, I just literally chopped the others off at the stem, and that one's doing well as well. They've really sprung up. I have also changed the timer to grow, so I've put it on this one, so it's 16 hours on and 8 hours off. Right, here we are on the 18th of March. As you can see, they've really sprung up. So this spinach and the Chinese cabbage are kind of overtaking and overshadowing this mixed leaf salad. I wanted to video this today because I'm going to start taking the small leaves off for eating, just start taking the outer leaves. The Wong Bok is doing well. Still nothing on the little gem. Or the all year round. Actually what happened was this back spinach, which is growing, started to grow another seed, so we just popped it in there, so it's actually spinach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this spinach over to here, and then I'm going to move this Wong Bok into the middle so that the little ones have room to grow. So I'll just take this one out. See the roots on that? Wow, it's quite long roots. Might need 2 hands to put this back in. Ah, Rose, you can... Actually, that one's gone in okay. I'm just moving these about, darling.
Okay.
So, I might need your help with the roots of this spinach. Whoa, look at all those.
Should I take this one out?
No, just leave that one there. Just gently take the roots out. Just gently, gently. They're really long. And put them in this corner hole there. You might need to use both hands. Use both hands. Is all the roots in?
Well, except the one that broke off.
Oh, okay. Take that one out then.
I think it's tangled somewhere because it's broken
tangled
again.
Okay. We'll just take it out. We can put it in the compost. There we go. They're better spaced out now. And it'll give, you know, that little spinach there. I don't think that little gem's going to come to anything. It's probably old seed, but that's just as well. I will take that out and put the little cap on there because nothing's going to happen with that. But yes, this is us so far, and I think what I'm going to do is, because it's been a little while, I'm going to publish the video on this and you know, edit it and put it up so you can see the update. Let me know what you think.